Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, welcome back to Kemari reaction, guys. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm so thankful for you guys for coming back. Hi. So I'm back again with another music video to the group, another reaction to the group Now United, and this is a music video to their song Fiesta. I don't think I've listened to this song, if I can remember correctly. No, because this was released 4 days ago, so no, I haven't listened to this song. Or I probably listened to the song, or the song. Is this a new song with a new video, or just a music video to his old song? I don't remember listening to the song. So this is Fiesta. So yeah. They're really
When the sun goes down,
was that Melanie?
You're the perfect company. Cause I've been going hard, no sleep, 7 days a week. You're the breather that I need.
Yes.
Come on, let's celebrate.
Who's that again? Noah? Wait.
Turn it up, Fiesta. La vida muy fresca.
Come on, Power Rangers. Is that Josh in the back? Oh, that is him.
Let's have a break for just one night. Having the time of our life.
La 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 la. Oh, she cut her hair.
The way I feel right now.
Oh, come on, voice.
But I am dreaming on my own.
Oh, I like that.
With no worries on my mind.
Yeah. Come on, sister.
Come on, let's celebrate
And party the night away.
Josh.
Turn it up, Fiesta. La vida muy fresca. Let's have a break for just one night. DJ play it twice. Turn it up,
Fiesta.
La vida muy fresca.
Come on, Bailey.
Let's have a break for just one night.
Yeah.
Having the time of our life.
La 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 la. Ooh, off tune.
Like the weather.
Come on, Annie.
Lay back, yeah, I know you wanna just have the time of your life. DJ, keep us together.
Love the dances.
Right now we can do whatever and just have the time of our life. Turn it up,
Oh, they're getting good. Fiesta. Fiesta.
Let's have a break for just one night. Having the time of our life, yeah.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Josh. La 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 la.
Having the time of our life.
Come on, Annie, with the ending notes. Yes. So as you guys can see, that was a music video to the group Now United, Fiesta. I really do like this group. Yay. I think I recently saw a video that said Lamar is back. So I'm guessing he's with the group now from London, because I believe he's also from London, where Bailey's also from London, from Philippines as well. So yay, that was very good. That was very nice. Like I said before, now we're getting to hear more of the voices from other female group. In each music video, we get to see their vocal ability now, and it was very good. I really do like this song, and I was just happy that, you know, obviously they put Annie at the end, you know, to give the other girls their view. It's usually Noah and Bailey usually sing a lot. Kristen sings as well. So does Josh here as well. But usually those two male. But I'm just happy to see the other members too getting the shine that they deserved. So it's really good. I could really see this group going far. Hopefully they can stay together for a very long time, because this music video that I'm seeing lately, I'm gonna say so far this year, video wise or dancing wise, is really good. I really do like Josh, because to me I think he's the best dancer out of all of them. That's just me. I really do think he's the best dancer, and I really do like looking at him because that boy is very gorgeous. But thanks to the ones who gave me this recommendation. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.